Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in ClickUp. This is essential if you're managing multiple projects or want to separate different areas of your work, whether that's personal tasks, team projects, or school assignments. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all the workspace creation features. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. This is where your current workspace is displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various workspace options. This area is your hub for switching between different workspaces or creating new ones. In that drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Create Workspace. Go ahead and click on it. This is what initiates the setup process for your brand new workspace, allowing you to customize it according to your specific needs. The first thing ClickUp will ask you is what will you use this workspace for? You'll see three options here: work, personal, or school. Select the one that best matches your intended use. This choice helps ClickUp tailor the workspace features and templates to suit your particular situation, making it easier to organize your tasks right from the start. Next, you'll be asked what would you like to manage. ClickUp provides several options here based on common use cases. Just choose the option that aligns with what you're planning to do in this workspace. This helps set up the initial structure and categories you'll be working with. Following that, you'll have the option to invite people to your workspace. If you're setting this up for team collaboration, you can enter email addresses here to bring your team members on board immediately. However, if you're just setting things up for yourself or prefer to invite people later, you can simply skip this step. ClickUp will then ask if you use any of these tools. You'll see a list of popular productivity and project management tools. If you're currently using any of them and might want to integrate or migrate data, select those tools from the list. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue. The next screen will ask which features are you interested in trying. ClickUp offers a range of powerful features, and this is where you can indicate what matters most to you. If you're not sure yet or just want to explore on your own, you can click Next without selecting anything. Otherwise, choose the features that interest you, and then click Next. Finally, you'll need to give your workspace a name. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the purpose of this workspace, making it easy to recognize when you're switching between multiple workspaces later. Once you've entered the name, click Finish to complete the setup, and there you have it. You've successfully created a new workspace in ClickUp. You can now start adding projects, tasks, and team members to organize your work effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.